guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel, Cook with Katrina, My Plant Life. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a dish inspired by my trips to Asia, to Malaysia, to Bali. It's my sticky tempeh Asian fusion wrap. So let's get started. The equipment and ingredients you're going to need for today's recipe is Nutribullet for blending cat special sauce, frying pan for frying off your tempeh with Pan Spatula, 300g organic tempeh block. I've chosen wraps today which are made from oat flour, cress, a dash of olive oil, 2 cloves of garlic, ginger, tapioca flour mixed with water, cat special sauce. The cat special sauce, which is Asian fusion, you're going to need 2 dessert spoons of Coco Amino Sauce or soy sauce, 1 dessert spoon of sesame oil, roasted or refined, half a teaspoon of sriracha sauce or more, depending on how spicy you like it, half a dessert spoon of ketchup, 1 teaspoon of maple syrup, a dash of five spice, and a dash of salt. Okay guys, so there's 2 elements to your preparation stage. The first one is you want to chop up your tempeh into small slivers ready for the frying pan. And the second stage is cat special sauce, which we're going to use the Nutribullet blender to blend that all up, ready to add to the tempeh in the frying pan. So I'll show you how to do both of those things. What we're going to do is make cat special sauce. Okay, so first of all, you want to add the ginger, garlic and special sauce into your Nutribullet. We're going to blend that up first, and then once it's well blended, we're going to add our tapioca starch and water mixture with an additional bit of water as well. A dash of water to help it blend. Then once you've blended it, you want to add your tapioca mixture, tapioca starch water mixture. This is what your sauce will look like. Right guys, so we're at the cooking stage now. Let the oil warm up for a minute and then we'll pop in our tempeh. You're going to start adding your tempeh to your hot olive oil. You want to fry them off, both sides, 1 to 2 minutes per side. Okay guys, so whilst that's frying off, I just wanted to tell you a little bit about tempeh. Tempeh is actually a fermented food. It's a fermented soybean, originally from Indonesia, and it's amazing. It's got so many amazing properties. One of them is that it's beneficial for your gut. It's full of prebiotics and it helps feed that good bacteria into your gut. Spray some olive oil. Sometimes it does get a bit dry. This sort of colour is when it's ready to be turned over, slightly golden. This side hasn't been turned yet. Beautiful, sticky. It's that tapioca flour mix with the water that helps it give that sticky edge. Actually, keep adding your sauce. Right guys, we're at the final stage, which is wrapping and serving. So I'll take one of my oat flour wraps. They're actually square, so I'm going to make them into little parcels. And the garnishes we've got today, I actually am really into hummus, and vegan mayonnaise is one of my guilty pleasures. So we've got this lovely vegan mayonnaise here. Cucumbers, sauerkraut, again it's good for your gut. I've got some lovely cress here, spring onion, one of my favourites, and cherry tomatoes. This is how I start my wraps. I always like to put my sauce as the base first. Okay. The cucumber. And now just a tiny bit of spring onion, add that little bit of fire. Sauerkraut. Thanks so much for watching my video, guys. It's been an absolute pleasure showing you how to make my sticky tempeh recipe, Asian fusion. It goes great with my honey roast potato, so please do have a look at that video. I'll link it up over this side, I think. So yeah, please enjoy. And I'm just gonna tuck in myself. Amazing. I get this tempeh from a guy where I live. He makes it from home. It's so good. The texture and the flavour, amazing.